What is going on, guys? If you were here yesterday, we went over some games from the tournament. My win against a 2050 and my loss against a 2300 that I played the wrong plan in the end once I got his queen. He had a rook and a bishop. And I dropped my queen. It's a nightmare. And then the idea of these Thursdays, I play viewers. I tournament recap and play viewers. Well, a really, really nasty storm came through, and it took my internet out to where I didn't even stream. It ended the stream early, and I couldn't even stream my gaming stream last night. So today, makeup day, guys. We get a makeup stream, and today all I'm doing, I'm not going to be going over games. All I'm going to be doing is playing 3-minute chess against y'all. It's going to be fun. Probably going to make some coffee as people start rolling in. There is a pinned comment, folks, a pinned comment. And you guys got to remember, too, there's a chess workshop tomorrow at 4 p.m. It's a private chess stream for supporters on Facebook, members on YouTube, and subscribers on Twitch. And if you want to get involved, you'll come at 4 o'clock if you were one of those subscribers like Rhodes is, for instance. He comes to the workshops very often. And we pull up one of his games. Hey, we got... Dude, Rav is the guy I got disconnected with. Hey, play the same line, Rav. Play the same line. Do you remember the game? I was playing him, E4, C5, knight f3. I was playing Rav yesterday when I got disconnected. Knight f6, or G6 is fine. Here. Here. Knight f6, D6, Queen A5. I played F3. You played D6. I played Queen D2. You played Queen A5. I think that's where, yeah, you might have castled. That's fine. Castling is fine too. And you don't have to play the same line. He's close enough, guys. He's very, very close. He's very close. All good. Yeah. I'm here, Rav, dude. Good. Yep. Good, dude. Good. Did I play King and then did I play, yeah, I played Queen A5, King B1, I think. Wow. Okay, that's fine. You want to make my bishop? Yeah, and then I played King B1. And we're playing chess. This is it. We're picking up from yesterday. Ralph, thank you, dude. I was so bummed. Because I wanted to play, you know? And I wanted to play this position. Yeah. The intermezzo, Rav. This was what I was planning on going toward. Now your king moves, and I just want a pawn. It's no big deal. You need to learn that, Rav. If you're not aware of this, King B1 is what made it possible. King B1 made it possible because then when you play Queen takes Queen, it's not check. Right? Uh-oh, I can't... Oh! Did I blow it? Am I losing a piece? There's a back rank mate I didn't see. Still. I think you got me, dude. I think you got me. I can take... Oh, I can take here. Ah! I thought I was losing. It's still not good, but it's not as good as it once was. Sacks. Okay. But then I get this pawn. But this pawn's weak anyway. But I hit the bishop. Okay, get this bishop out to attack the rook, I think is a good square. Okay, now I think I have to defend this pawn. And I think I do it like this. Or do I just do it like this? I'm just going to move. Because I want to bring a rook, but I can't bring a rook because he had this move. Right? Okay. Yeah. Okay, just don't hang your bishop. I guess I'm going to come back in here. Oh my god, I didn't see it! Now he's on the square with check. Wow. Rav, what are you even doing to me, man? I gotta move. This is horrible. I give up this one before I give up this one with check. Okay. Doesn't work. The timing is bad. We're going. You just checked me to check me? Huh. I mean, it's a move. I just lost on time. I didn't even look. Good game, dude. I tell you something. We both, I think, made some big mistakes in that game. That was a good game. That theme, I was talking about that theme, and I don't know if it worked there or not. I don't know if it worked there or not. I did something. No, it did work. It did work. And I bet it was the best move. But I don't know, though. I don't know. Okay, Rav. That's the blue move. Yeah. But let's see. That's best. Best. Okay. That was forced. Best. Rook is okay. It wanted rook A to E8. But, I mean, come on. This rook goes on this file, right? Yeah. I like your move. I like your move. Stockfish is done. That's a mistake. What was I supposed to do? I'm supposed to take here first. Then bishop takes and knight d5. So I give up the bishop pair. But I have this monster knight. And I have a weakness. Yeah, bishop g5. Rook d1. Rook a c8. I could probably play the bishop this way. Yep, bishop b5 comes with tempo. One of these moves. And this is actually a pretty cool move too. Yeah. h5. And some stuff's getting opened. But you're okay. But no, you're not okay. White is better. You had to play bishop takes first. That's a cool tactic though, huh? Rav. And I learned this from the black side. I learned it the hard way. I learned it the hard way. Yeah, I had someone do it to me. Pahamgahas said, do you ever have a days or moments where you get the feeling of forget chess or never? Anyway, nice thing you're streaming. Nice to watch. Yeah, we played a Steam opening. I'm glad you did, Ravi, because I wanted to play it. So thank you. Rhodes said hello. I said hello to Rhodes, I think. Rhodes, you coming to the workshop tomorrow. Guys, we have a chess workshop tomorrow. If you're a supporter on Facebook, a subscriber on Twitch, or a member on YouTube, you have access to the free private. Well, it's not free. I mean, you guys are members, right? But you're already paid. You're if you have the badge, you're already in, guys. The workshop, the private chess stream tomorrow at 4 p.m., guys. Someone send me some 3-minute, guys. 3-minute challenge. I want to do this, man. How do we do this? I could go in the pool. I will. You know what? Let's make a cup of coffee. Wait while you guys send me some challenges. Hey, come with me to the coffee cam. Send it. Someone send it. I'll tell you this, man. This morning, there was a pretty fat freaking lizard, man, on my porch. Like, just what I just call a lizard. Not an alligator lizard. They with the pointy nose, not one of those. Here we go. Toasted cheese at 3-minute unrated while the coffee's being made. And he was pretty chunky monkey, man, on my porch. I saw him through the window. And then we went out to get breakfast, and I never saw him. So he must have left when we opened the door. He got scared and left. Well, then we came home and didn't see him. Did not see him. And I looked out my window, and that big fat chunky monkey was right there again. Greek subbed with his Prime for 11 months. Greek, thank you for the 11 months, dude. It's huge. And Greek can come to the workshop tomorrow. Do you live in USA or Canada? You can tell? You could tell I live in the USA or Canada? I do. I'm in the USA. Nice playing with you. Can we play another one? Rav, yeah, let me play a few different people, and then if we don't have any games, then you can send the rematch. You know, that's not a bad move at all. I lost my rights to castle, which is no big deal because I'm just going to bring a rook and tuck the king. So it's in this. It was his move, and he could have castled. Wait, it's his moving castle now. Tomorrow my ex is coming to pick up all her stuff. I won't feel like a workshop. Oh, Greek. Hey, man, you might need the workshop. The workshop might be exactly what you need, my friend. I guess just get the bishop. Oh, but my pawn. So, okay, play z5. Well, now we can, I think, get the pawn, right? The pawn or the bishop. I gotta watch my back rank, guys. Ooh, this pin is an actual pin, too, so that's gonna be kind of cool. Do you take the bishop or do you take the pawn? It's not a pin. I think... we take this. Do we take this way? Do we take this one? I think we take this one. Took a lot of time on that move, folks. I'm on the knight. Did I lose a... No, I'm up a piece. I'm like, did I lose a pawn? Yeah, I did lose a pawn. I'm up a piece. I think you live in the U.S. Texas. Absolutely. Absolutely. I am in Texas. I'm about an hour away from Austin. And I love where I live. This guy brings the rook like forget about it. Like he doesn't even care. I think we do this. No, here. Make him regret it. Make him regret his life choices. Make him regret his life choices! Go back to where you once came from, except the problem is I'm going to rip. He takes. Okay, I take. Then I'm going to take this. And if I don't get back rank mated like Rav did. No, it was just a threat. Okay. That's a cheapie, guys, but sometimes you got to be cheap. This comes with tempo, which is... Oh, no. I'll give him this pawn. For these three. You're down a piece and a rook, man. It's too much. Just develop, dude. Just develop. Developmental scenario. Gotta check. I didn't see it. If I come here, he can pin. So just bring your rook. You have pieces. Now your king can't go. Oh, I almost stalemated him. Toasty Cheese It 160. You're better than 160, brother. Let's get that coffee. Let's get that coffee. Good game. Very, very good game. All right, guys. I got a few challenges here. I'm going to play Greek first. And I think Paul, I think I saw your name. I saw you too again, Rav, but I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to give a lot of people a chance to play first. Belgium. I got people in Belgium. I told you that, right? I got people on the ground in Belgium. Are you huge? These guys are huge. These guys from Belgium, they look like It looked like guys from the strongman competitions. We'll do this. I think I can. I probably shouldn't, but I think I can. Bishop d6. Oh, he has h3. I didn't see it. You can just kick my bishop. Where does it go? Does it come all the way back here, maybe? Save Ving. He's using his brain. Greek's a good player, guys. Greek is a no-joke-er. Kind of pinned my knight. Queen here might have been better with the options. I don't know why I played this move. Well, I can do something like this too and provoke weaknesses. Brings the queen, pinning the knight. Bring the amigos pieces. Did better than I thought I'd do. You did great, Toasty. You're from Finland. Texas, dude, Texas is a beautiful place. I'm sure Finland is beautiful too. I would love to visit Finland. I know nothing about it. Except I have my friend there. Haha, OMG, haha. I finally read your name. I was reading your name like I thought it was a real name. Just bring the amigos malarkey. The malarkey will be brought. All malarkey will be brought. This is a maneuver. Moves the queen. The knight's still pinned. Let's go here. Wait. Maybe just take this now. It's pinned though. I didn't look hard, guys. I just looked. I can play rook f7. That's a move. I kind of want to... Oh, I can't move this, though. I guess... Queen. Develop ping. 3 words. Whoa. Aim Ming. I think we'll take with the bishop if he pushes. He wants to do this so bad, but we're not going to allow it. We've got it covered twice. If he brings a rook, it still doesn't do it. Okay, okay. Everything's protected, right? That loses, so we're just going to come. We're going to come to a good square on... This is threatening to trap his bishop, I think, right? Doesn't this trap the bishop? Oh, wait. Takes. And he has a move with check. Okay, I guess improve the night. Ah. I can play. Lost on time. Greek, good game. I think this is loose now, right? So if you move and I take, this knight could be trapped, and you could... Oh, no, I still have my bishop. It wasn't. See, I'm clueless. After review, I had a couple blunders, but it's hard to play fast. I've been playing strictly 30-minute rapids to get better. Toasty Cheese It, that is the move. You're a freaking smart man. Dude, let me tell you something, man. Texas is a beautiful place in the world to live, especially where I live. I live in a place called the Hill Country of Texas. People think Texas, and they think Lubbock. You say, well, what is that? Well, that's where Buddy Holly was born, okay? But Lubbock is flat. Flat. They say, like, you can see your dog run away for 30 miles. It's that flat. It's just perfectly flat. You could just see on the horizon forever. It's just flat. And might be some tumbleweeds rolling around, like in a Western movie, right? No, around here where I live in the Hill Country, there's no big mountains, but there are hills. This is Paul. I got you, Paul. Ooh, 2,200. People that ride motorcycles love this area because it's got beautiful riding, beautiful curves and hills and stuff. It's a beautiful place to live. And there's lakes. And Paul, get to your board. Here's a flag. Zambia. Oh, man. What happened, Paul? Yeah, no time to think. Yeah, right. Finland. What is Finland known for? Josh, dude, did you get the message? I told Drew, my internet, it was a big storm. Big storm. Like, there was flooding. It was a big, nasty storm that came through yesterday. It wasn't as bad as, like, the Texas floods we had, like, a year or two ago, on the 4th of July, actually. That was terrible. A lot of people did make it. But it was still a nasty, nasty storm, and it took my internet out for, like, hours. Like, it shut my chess stream down early. Okay. Okay. Just bring the rook back and play chess. I came to play chess, guys. I don't know what you guys came for. Right? Okay, now, start bringing the queen. Just no reason. I'm just looking around. Right. Let's connect the rooks. Okay. I think we just come back. And there's going to be one thing we're going to have to admit. It's going to be one thing we're going to have to admit, but I'm not going to admit it out loud. Okay. We push. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it because it kind of opens them up. Okay, now there's no real threats. Doesn't have the square. Trade, 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 and then king takes or queen takes. The queen is on the pawn. Yeah, no, the queen has ideas. So I think we take with the king. You taught me tons, man. We're learning together, my brother. We are learning together as a team. Although queen takes... No, I think we do king takes. Check. I think we come over. Okay. Yeah. I think this is a good move. It attacks two things. He has no checks. He was threatening a trade, but then I might have been able to play bishop f4, winning the pawn. Right. Definitely take this one. And then trade queens. Because we're up. And then bring the king this way. We'll go out though. Why will it once I take? Okay. Yeah, that's actually a good move, guys. This guy's playing good moves. Do I have queen check? Okay, this trades down to opposite colored bishops. Does he have any checks? He doesn't. So I'm going to attack his queen and make it go somewhere. Now, if I trade, it goes to opposite colored bishops. Oh, I dropped that one. He was in such control. Paul, that was a great game, dude. I'm going to try and give some other people some other chances. Peon. I was doing pretty good against Peon in our first few games. And Peon now is playing very well against me. There's all kinds of moves here. Finland invented sauna and Santa Claus. Passionate about ice hockey. Only 5 million people live here. Have battled with Russians in the past many times, mostly recently in a war around 1940, and we managed. Wow. That's a tough room. Good job. Hey, RB. I think you do D5 no matter what, right? You do? Oh my god, I dropped the pawn with check, guys. That was a horrible move. But now we can try to oh, he has the pin. We're up almost a minute on the clock because of the opening. Yay! Okay. This is a scary game, guys. Piana has become my nemesis, even though I'm like 300 points higher than him. Actually, 250 points higher. He's been doing very well in our games. Do we go to this square? Or do we come to this square? Or do we take first? Interesting maneuver. He's using his brain! Okay, now... do we improve? Oh, he has Queen G3. I didn't see it. Because it's attacked twice, right, guys? Everyone see that? Jackson will save you, brother. I should have took that. It's game. Well, now it's game over. It was game over if I just traded. Good game, man. I'm telling you, Pian, you have been doing so well against me. better than your rating. What you didn't you beat me the last 2 games? We got a 1409 free minute unrated Herschel Layton. He's a real chess player, folks. 1400, knows how to develop his pieces. He might even castle. I love the non-London players that I'm seeing. D4, C4. Queen's Gambit. You still play Bishop F4. Pre-moving. Probably pre-move these 2 moves. I do that a lot. I usually pre-move these, maybe. I'm not sure. Get a little El Centro action going, folks. Okay. Have we equalized? Probably not. Well, maybe. Maybe with the rook there. Yeah, he's trying to castle, which is probably pretty smart. I'm going to play this move. And just get unpinned. Get developed. Okay. Do I push? I kind of want to get this bishop. I also kind of want to develop my pieces. This might not have been a good move, but I did it anyway. I think I'm still okay. I'm not sure, though. This opening always confuses me. You have to prepare for it next time, peon. Okay, he takes. I must take. Okay, hit the queen. Oh, I can't hit the queen. That's what I was going to do. Okay, so just save the knight. He hits. We come back. He's looking at squares. Wow. I feel like I'm being crushed. I think I'm being crushed, guys. That's a good Grandmaster move, man. Could have brought the other rook, I guess. Right? Do we just start doing stupid stuff now because we're scared? It's a move. Herschel plays good. Herschel is from the Netherlands. You should play touch more. You touch the piece, you must move it. Try it. It's going to help you. Ha! Hey, man, you know what? I played touch move a lot of my life. I played touch move a lot of my life. What I did not do, when I play online, I don't have to play touch move. This is just really bad, guys. This is really, really bad. Like, I think I have to do... I can't do anything. I'm crushed. Here. I guess I'd rather have the rook here. Than if I come back, he has rook. He has bishop. Wait. Yeah, I'm just being crushed and there's nothing I can do about it. Okay, he's probably trying to come in and destroy me. I didn't know what to do. That was a really, really well played game. Hey, Amelia, welcome. How you doing, dude? Milmo said good game. Thank you, Milmo. Milmo with Milimo with a 3-year follower badge on Facebook. Milimo, thank you, dude. Thank you for following for so long on Facebook. Fluffy said, I would love to challenge. It's pinned, brother. Send Rosewood Telly. I don't have any challenges right now. If you sent it, you could be playing right now. Aristotle says, damn, I got lucky thanks to the game. No way, dude. Dude, you played great. I played 83.9% accuracy. You played 87% accuracy. You played way better than me. There were no blunders, no misses. We each had 2 mistakes. You had no inaccuracies. I had 3. And I'm 150 points higher than you. So you played very well. You played 10 best moves. I only played 6. You played a very good game. That was very strong, man. It was very strong. All that, like, you played against this square. Really? Lockdawalla book got in handy. What's the Lockdawalla book? He sacrificed the rook. You guys managed to survive. Yeah, I got that, man. That was cool. That was cool. Guys, we have a chess workshop tomorrow. Be here at 4 p.m. Yeah, good game, dude. Good freaking game. This guy over here. And when I look at this squiggler, guys. Wait, let me go back. Look at this squiggler. It's ridiculous. Look how smooth it is. Look at that game. And then somewhere around here, which I'm going to look at now and see where that was, I played my first bad move. Knight. That was no good. A better way. Wow, I'm supposed to bring it to E7? Well, because it comes with... coming to E7 does come with tempo. Bishop E7. Blocking the rook. Unfiancitoing. C5. Look at that square, man. Knight G5. Threaten the knight. Knight FG5. HG5. Rook FD1. But see, like, okay, Bishop E6. Knight D6. Rook ED8. This is very similar to what happened in the game, almost. Bishop C4. And the thing is, it's not like... I feel like this must be losing or something. But it's not. Yeah. Not Knight D6 after Bishop E6. You play Rook D6 instead, I suppose. Oh, you would... Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Which Lockdawalla book did you say? Hey, how's the day going? Hey, T, it's going great, man. Like another friend, JBRW, we are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other and we help each other get better at chess. Okay? Deal? Guys, you definitely want to join Chess Chillers on chess.com. It's a chess club. It's a chess group on chess.com. I'm sure you've joined a group before, right? Community, clubs. You go to community, you go to clubs, and you search for Chess Chillers. There I am right at the top there. Chess Chillers. Or I could just give you a link. Invite. This is the link to join Chess Chillers, and the reason you want to join is so we can stay in touch on chess.com. I don't spam it. I don't spam you guys. And if you want to play our weekly tournament, we played yesterday, guys. Yesterday was a tournament. No, Wednesday was a tournament, and it was a world championship actually. Let's go to club events. Let me show you guys what happened. Chillers World Championship. Silent Checkmate won. I think he's won the last 2 world championships. Chess with Loga got second, and Bozo Chess got 3rd place in the World Chess Championship. And there were class champions too, like an under, probably like an under what, like 1400 or something, under 1600 maybe. Like Falivo would have got the under 16, an under 1200. Like T would have got that. World champion, by the way. I told you guys what they were yesterday. Atticus. This is Josh, guys. This is Josh. He's one of us. He's one of our friends. We're gaming tonight. We're gaming tonight. You know where I'm going with this bishop? To the beautiful place. To the beautiful place. Okay. And then I think I'm going to do this to keep the knight out and be sure my bishop lives. And look at, he blocks me. Why you gotta be so mean? Josh, someday I'll be living in a big old city and all you're ever going to be is mean. For playing bishop d6. Have to move. I don't know what to do. I didn't even realize I was attacking that pawn. Okay. I want to come here so bad. I guess I can just do it. C4? Yeah, I saw this move, but I think I can come here. And then... What is that? What do you do now? Do you... He's threatening this. I think we... Do we attack the Amigo's thing? Kermit Master with the subscription on YouTube. Thank you, Kermit Master. Guys, be like Kermit Master. If you're watching on YouTube, hit the sub button. We're going all the way, guys. We're on our way to the perfect place. And that place is... That place is 3,000. I think I might be okay here. I don't really know because of this move. That's a little intermezza. Little intermezza, guys. Now, this rook must move or I will take it off of the board. It's got 2 choices to not lose the rook. I could probably pre-move that. Okay, now we just... Oh... Can I do this? There is a pin, but does it win? Okay, now. Oh no, he has this. Wait, he doesn't have this. I have a check. Dude, I had to look one move deeper. I had to look one move deeper. Now, which one do we take? I think we take this one because it comes with tempo. And then I think we come... Oh, I can't do that. Okay, just... Bring... the king. Okay, bring... the king. Oh my god. Josh, you're a monster. Brother, why did you take... it's a blitz game. Why not take the rook with the knight? Oh, did I have that? This is the best chess player, JBR. No. Obviously, I could have played knight takes rook, guys. I didn't see it. Let's see. Let's see. I had knight takes rook. Oh, I could just play knight takes. Yeah. No, you know what I did? Yeah, knight takes is better. Of course it's better. It's better and it's smarter. It's by far the easiest move. Knight takes, and then takes. What is that? Wait. Yeah, I just went this way instead, and I just said I'd rather have a knight than a rook, which was dumb. It's all winning, but that... Oh, no 10-minute. JBR, no 10-minute. Yeah, it was better to take with the knight. I didn't see it. It's a 3-minute game, man. I gotta stay up on the clock. I'm down on time, too. 3-minute unrated Magni Rod. I think I played this guy before. Magni Rod, welcome back. Welcome back, my friend. Play well and play good chess. E4, E5. Hey, newbie. Tommy Jen. How you doing, man? Okay. Forcing me to develop my queen to a superior square. That's okay. OT's good chess. You know what that means. What do you do? Okay. I think this is a good move. Normally it's not. But it's a good move. Okay. I guess just come back. I feel like it's like I wanted to come here, but I didn't want to go there, but I wanted to go there, but I didn't want to go there. Yeah, this might have been better. Takes. Okay, check. Oopsie. Good game, Magni Rod. Last week, I played a tournament and I won a prize from a spectacular loss. Gotta love chess. I'll tell you this, Aristotle. Back in the day, I don't know if it still happens or not, but in the LA Times, the Los Angeles Times, the main newspaper, people used to get news from the newspaper, guys. And it was always like a day old. They'd be up late at night writing their articles and getting the last minute things, and then they start the printing presses, hot off the presses. The paper was still warm. And International Master Jack Peters wrote a weekly chess column in the LA Times. So you could get the LA Times and you get your front page news, and there'd be the comics. The kids could look at the comics. There'd be some coupons. And then you go back and you find the chess section. And there was always a position, like a puzzle. It'd say, white to move and win. And it might be from an old game. It might be from a new game. And then he would give some chess news. And he would give a game. And 1 week, Aristotle, this relates to you saying, last week I played a tournament and I won a prize for most spectacular loss. There was a game in the LA Times, and instead of a Kasparov game or a couple of local masters, the game was, I believe it was, I think I played white. I think it was Sardo Rubin. The guy's name was Sid Rubin. He was a local master, been around for a long time, and I lost that game. But it was such a great game, the international master, and he commented on it. He did the, if this then that. He gave the commentary. He analyzed the game. Yeah, so I had my game in the LA Times. My game against a master was in the LA Times, but I didn't win. There's no way. Tamim, thank you for the sub on YouTube, man. Guys, silent checkmate. Oh, this guy wants to play 30-second. I'm not doing that. No. Today is for 3-minute unrated, guys. Some people want to play 10 minutes. Some people are like, I wanted to play 30-second. It's not that I would never try that. It's that I am playing 3-minute unrated today. Takes queen takes? No, takes knight takes. Looking at a square. Oh, wow. That's a really good move, silent checkmate. I don't know what to do, so I guess we have to come here. Nope, and then you just play bishop. So am I losing? Am I losing, silent checkmate? Is it over? Does it all just end right here? Guess I could unfork that way. Should I come there when I didn't have a chance? I had no choice, guys. He was gonna trap it. So I just reinforced my center. We're gonna reinforce it again. The queen comes. That's a pretty good move, I think. Oh, he's on my... Okay, so then we just... What are these Grandmaster moves? Could I have just taken? Look at that. Okay, so you want to trade queens? Is that what you're saying? Look at the tactics, man. My rook was hanging. His bishop was better than my bishop. How do you beat this guy? How do you beat him, guys? He's just doing nothing because he has me crushed. Okay. Can't do it. I can't defend the pawn. Yeah, she's strong like a bull. I resign. That's too much, man. You play too good. I can't believe how good you guys play. Oh, wait. Cancel that. I had to play bad moves because every move he played felt so strong. It was like I was being crushed. Yeah, I played 86%. He played 93% in a freaking 3-minute game. That's really good, dude. JBR 3-minute. It has to be unrated JBR. Unrated JBR. You've been scrolling for an hour and finally found chess stuff. Dashy Bashy. Just hit subscribe, dude. I stream chess Monday through Thursday at 3 p.m. And today's a bonus stream because yesterday's stream got kind of messed up. It seems you're playing reactively a lot. Instead, Queen F1. What about Rook C1? I don't know. I'd have to go back and look at it. I just know that in Blitz, it's kind of hard to hold on airtime perfectly, right? Okay. We need 2 is usually the move. This is usually the move 2, but probably not a bad move. Okay. I literally pushed to defend. Where can my bishop do better work? Yeah, that's probably not an altogether bad move. Threatening to double up. He's still going to get to double up. Oh, no, he's not. Because my bishop. I didn't see this. Whoa, active schedule of the stream. Yeah. Monday through Thursday. But today is a bonus stream because the internet screwed up on us yesterday. Did I have a chance to take that earlier? I don't know. Dude, he sees it all, man. He wanted to bring the rook and to threaten this pawn, but there was been a back rank mate at the end. I mean, maybe he saw that. Maybe he just... Maybe I'm seeing ghosts. Just do it! I gotta get the king over here to win. And from here, I think I get there. Okay. He's not going anywhere special. I can make it move. This is probably a good move. Okay. Got him on time. I'm sure I'm losing here, but am I? Yeah, I am. Ha! Good game, dude. That was a really hard game. I think... Was it winning, though, right? Like... I kind of weaseled my way in. JBR, I see you now. Yeah, this was a pretty good game, guys. There were a bunch of inaccuracies toward the end, but look at this squiggler. Look how smooth it is. Look how smooth, guys. Wait for it. This one. All right here, dude. Look how smooth. All the way to back over right about where? Yeah, like right over here. And then... And what's the score here? Yeah, I'm slightly better. But then, yeah, that was a mistake. Blue move. I should have just gone to Bishop C8. Yeah, dude, I had 47 seconds. Yeah, Bishop C8 is clearly better. I don't know why I didn't see that. It's a whole theme of the position. That's a blue move. I did two blues. No, I did a blue move, a question mark, and a blue move. That was okay. I did that to keep the knight from coming so I could bring my king in. King D6. Hitting a rook. And then here, and then just win. The best move is C5. Or rook E8. What about this move? Oh, Bishop C4. Wow. King D6. King D6 wins. I didn't see it. That's a shot we could have seen in a slow game, but not in Blitz. Not in Blitz. Good game, dude. I'm playing JBRW, ranked 100th in the world. So you don't play on this account or what? How do I do unrated? You found it. Good. Hey, Charlie. Hey, Anna Banana Nana, what's up? Did you say gaming tonight? Gaming tonight for sure. Yeah, my internet went out. E4, C5, D4. Yeah, my internet went on. I couldn't, I could have gone live. I would have like been able to start setting up the live around 9:30. And I'm like, you know what? I'm just a little bit tired. I was tired of waiting for the internet to come on. You know what I mean? I love JBRW. He's a real chess player. Meaning this is a real game. Sometimes when you play online, some people, it just doesn't seem, it's almost like not real. He had a fork. He did? Oh, that was in that last game? I didn't see it, Rhodes. James Leathers with a 4-year anniversary on Facebook. Okay, I said hi to Emilio. Good. Catching up. Oh, yeah, that was you, Tammy. Didn't see the time. That was, dude, you played good, dude. That was a good game. That was a lot of fun. That was a game that, even though it's a Blitz game. Okay, do we... Just castles. Just pinning. Ah! I was looking at this pawn. This is really bad. Wow. Lets me off the hook. Oh, he made. I'm like, he has a flight square. This is what they call a helpmate, guys. In this position, if I could play Queen F6, he has King F4. This is his only flight square. So he blocks the flight square for me. It's called a helpmate. They have puzzles that are helpmates, where one side has to help the other side mate him. Good game. Dude, you played a good game, man. You could tell that, JBR is toward the beginning of his chess journey. Have you played any games? Was that your first game? This is a new account. Oh, yeah, he plays. Okay. He plays more rapid, which is smart. It's smart. I gotta grab my water, guys. 1 second. Yeah, you should be playing the longest games possible. Someone in chat was just saying all they play is 30-minute rapid. 30-minute rapid is way better than 10-minute rapid. 10 minutes not enough time to think. T is new to the community, but he shows up. You love to see him here. He's using his brain and his mind. Thank you. You're good, but I will get better. I play you later. For sure, JBR. Absolutely. Don't ever worry about it, man. Don't worry about it. Like, I've been doing this for a very long time. I'm not great at it, but I'm not bad at it. But this is the kind of game that takes a little bit of time. You should just worry about getting better. Don't worry about beating me. You know what I'm saying? That's kind of like Levy. Ben Feingold says, if you're starting to play chess, you make your goal to be Grandmaster. That's an unrealistic goal. It's too far away. You make shorter goals, attainable goals. You know what I'm saying? Attainable goals. Goals that you can actually reach. Not best. Threatening what? This move. I have a check. If I push, he can push. Then I push. If I push here is the problem. Yeah, so we have to do this first. Have to do this first. I have this check too. Play the check now or no? Doesn't win yet, but it's coming. It's all coming. I think I did this right. I think he might have been able to do better to stop me from opening it up. I don't know. Just read Saron's books, the series. Cappy, you're back. I like to play when I'm relaxing. I find I play on 10-minute, but end up with 2 to 3 minutes left. Yeah, it's because you're moving too slow. Okay. Am I losing something here? Queen takes pawn, I don't think works because of this. And then this. And then this. And then this. The bishop comes. Okay. Okay, now, you know what's crazy? The move is probably this. Look at that move! Look at that move, guys. That's a Grandmaster move. This is, I learned this from Gadakamsky. Hey, oh no, don't come in and do that, bot. I don't like bots. Andrew, thank you for the follow. Oh no, I don't want him to follow. He's a bot. This, okay. Now where's the mate? I could just make a queen, I guess. He just took a rook, though. Check here. I meant he didn't take my queen, guys. He had my queen. He had my queen. He had my queen. If there's no mate here, I don't know what to. I don't know anything about chess. Wow, I dropped my queen, dude, but you were so low on time. And that's a big part of rating, man, especially when you're low rated, under 800 or something. A man in a tree 2300. Are you really in a tree, brother? In Bulgaria? Guys, we're playing a 2300 chess.com player. D4 knight f6. This guy's strong. Promote tonight. What I should have just done was not dropped my my rook, just saved the rook. This guy's from, dude, a lot of Bulgarians today. I love it. You love to see it, folks. You love to see the Bulgarian community coming in. He saw it. I know this strategically is not smart, but I don't know what else to do. Okay, what do you do? Like, my bishop has no squares, guys. It's so bad. Okay. I'm trying to put up resistance, guys. He's 2,300, guys. The guy calling his move AGM move against 900 at difference rating is shocking. You mean you're talking about me? Okay. Wow. Just giving it up, huh? Rook takes. Oh, because he made a clearance square. He made a clearance square. What's a clearance? Clearance. He got his clearance. I fought as hard as I could, guys. Wow, he doesn't want it. How do I defend the pawn? Do we do it, really? I'm defending the pawn, guys. Dude, I defended a pawn and I gave birth to a new pawn. Doesn't do anything. Yeah, he wants to get rid of this knight so bad. I think we take... here. Okay, and then... the problem now... is this. And this is how I will lose. He took my pawn, guys. Uh-oh. Yeah, and then just get out of the thing, I guess. And then take. I resign. Did I get it? I try to resign. Good game, dude. Good game. Good game. Wow. Dude. I fought hard on that. I want to look at the review on that one. See if how up and down it was. I bet it was pretty smooth. He just kind of slightly outplayed me. Yeah, this is not a bad squiggler, guys. This is not a bad squiggler. See, it's relatively smooth, and it just kind of went up and up because he's 2,300, and he just got a better position. But I brought it back down to equal right around here. Let's look at around there and then where I really went wrong, folks. This is right around here. He probably made like a less than perfect move. Yep. This is the best move. And it's plus 0.4. That's a mistake. Bishop F8. Oh, to kind of indirectly annoy. Daniel Stimitis is... I'm going to play Daniel Stimitis first, and Goat Doc, I'll get you next, all right? These guys are here all the time. These guys are the great supporters of the stream, folks. It doesn't really pin anything is a problem. But where does my bishop go besides here? I'll let him chase me back if he wants to, and I'll start looking at this pawn. I don't know what else to do. Just let him expand, get castled. Just bring the rook. Gaming later for sure. The next stream I will play you. Bye, JBR. Yeah, I mean, no. Well, next stream you won't play me because well, yeah, you can play me 1 minute. The next stream is going to be Monday. Whoa. What happened? I thought he moved. I thought he moved, I resign. I don't understand what just happened right there. I think I moved and it wasn't my move. Send it, Branson. Dude, I didn't want to lose like that, Daniel. I thought I was playing. I thought it was my move. I thought it was Bishop F6. I don't know what happened. Yeah, tonight we're gonna do some. Tonight we're gonna set up the thorns. We're gonna set up the thorns. Maybe test a little bit. The goat dock. The goat dock. Oh, I got roads. Branson, I'm trying to get you, brother. I got roads now. E4. Play well, my friend. Uh-oh. Is it possible? I thought he was playing Z Ipapatamusi, guys. Z Ipapatamuser. Right. G4H4. Good game, T. Wait, that wasn't you. But you did say good game. Thank you. Play winning chess at the very least is up to 1,000. The rest 1,000 to 1,800. Yeah, the Yasser books are great, man. Oh, okay, got you. Yeah, I was kind of wondering. I'm like, where'd he go? Where'd he go? I'll watch. I'll get you after this game. But warming up is smart, man. Now, should I come here? No. Continue with the plan. Yeah, he wants to get stuff going, guys. I think I have to, but then no, then night takes. So we just got to do this. It's hairy, guys. This is very hairy. If you want a good scare, I'll take care of it here. It brings the knight. To do something? Okay, takes. Spider monkey. Say hello to my little spider monkey friend. Mm-hmm. That's probably not an altogether bad move. I'm going to go ahead and come to this square. Looking at ideas. Because that's what chess is a game of. Whoa, didn't see it. I feel like I kicked a knight. Spring rook. I think it's actually this rook now. Do you know that? Oh, this is rough. Yeah. Right. He's defending it, but not really. now I think we simply play... And then we're going to get another check. We're going to get another check. The king comes. This is protected. I think we go here. Okay, and then I think we go where? Oh my god, he's going to beat me on the clock. It's pinned is the problem. I could have took that the whole time. Got him on time, guys. I just, with 0.1 second. I got you now, Branson. Rhodes, that was dirty, brother. Good game, Rhodes. You played really good. Rhodes, you played really good, man. The king was in trouble, but I just never quite was able to beat it. You pre-moved. I played knight e4 because I had a tactic. So when I played knight e4, your bishop went on f6. Yeah, I thought I heard you move. And I was like, what did you do? I didn't feel like I pre-moved. I guess I... Or maybe I did pre-move. But, oh, because was 94 a good move or was it a blunder? Love Daniel's name. He's an anesthesiologist. Goat's faint. The goat doc. That is cool. Goats. Oh wait, now here my opponent did move, and I need to move. Here we go. Boy, I just spent a lot of time reading chat. Can I play with you? I'm not at your level, but I will try. Abdul, we all play together, my friend. I'm not hearing any moves. It's because I'm talking too much. We played this game before. Sorry, brother. I mean, it's only a piece. You probably could still win, but sorry. It's like, that is there, but I don't play for that trap. You know what I'm saying? That's just a, but it's there. I mean, it's there. Do we take with a knight? To be cheeky. I think we do, because I want to look at f7. Now, if I come and he plays this, then I think we can win that way. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to sacrifice pawns, guys. I'm going to let him take this pawn if he wants it. Plays g6. Now, and then we come here. And now we do the we do the naughty, guys. It's a little bit wrong. It is made of unhappiness. Oh, but wait. Is there a mate here though? I'm gonna have to beat him on a clock, guys, because I think I might tactically have just messed this up. There might be enough here. I don't know. It depends on what he does, I think. Oh no. Oh, okay. Forced. No, you could come back. You could, I'm just better. And then I have to, I have to play. I was going to play queen g5 or queen f4. Queen f4. It's +4 just because of this and the dark squares. But I'm just like, wait, well, I'm up a piece too, I guess. How to get up a piece? I don't remember. Oh yeah, I know it. I've been up a piece since move 4. I forgot. Oh man, that was good. That was good. You played so poorly. Yeah, you played. That was not your best game. Rhodes has a good game to look at tomorrow. You know what? It was a blitz game, but it still wasn't bad at all, man. It wasn't bad at all. Guys, this was our makeup stream from yesterday to play chess versus viewers because a big storm came and destroyed my internet. I couldn't stream yesterday. I don't get like real sad, but I almost get a little bit depressed when I can't stream. I really do. I was bummed. It's like no internet. I got data on my phone. I could look at stuff, but it's like I wanted to stream. So tomorrow, private chess workshop. If you're a supporter on Facebook, a subscriber on Twitch, or a member on YouTube, hit the button. This one's the one on Facebook, right? And then on YouTube, it'll say join. Hit the join button, become a member. Or on Twitch, hit the subscribe button, become a subscriber. You can even link your Amazon Prime to your Twitch, and you get a free sub every month. And then you support the stream. It's free for you, and you get the workshops, once a month workshops. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do that tomorrow at 4 p.m. So be here tomorrow for the workshop. If you are not a subscriber, a supporter, or a member, figure it out. And be here tomorrow at 4. And I will be back. I don't know if I'm gonna wait till 8 o'clock to go live for the gaming stream. I might go live a little closer to 7. I just gotta make some food and get set up. But we're gonna game tonight. Play Elden Ring. I'll be back live in a couple hours, guys. I love you guys. Thank you for all the help. Thank you to my mods for being here. Thank you guys for all the games. Good games. Very good job, everybody. And I had fun. And I'm glad we got to do our makeup stream. Freaking love you guys. Catch you guys in a few hours for a gaming stream. Gaming streams are on YouTube and Twitch, not on Facebook. Follow me on YouTube and Twitch for the gaming streams. Love you guys. Goodbye.